guys, ating ating grilled chicken. Gawa tayo na naman ng grilled chicken, guys. Sana luto na yan, guys, no? I cooked this one for 1 hour. 1 hour is enough, guys. I hope 1 hour is enough for this chicken. I cook, guys, for 1 hour only. Yan. Yes, look at that.